So it's 5:54 a.m. in Hua Hin, and the sun is due to rise at 5:55. So here I am at 6 a.m. in the morning watching the sun rise. It was definitely worth it. So it's around 6:45 a.m. The official religion in Thailand is Buddhism, which they say is practiced by 95% of the population. These monks, they say there's 300,000 of them living in the land of smiles, and they're very easily recognized by their yellow and orange robes. And most Thai people will start the day off by giving offerings to the monks, who are collecting donations in the street, as you can see here. It's around about 11 a.m. now, and the tide is well and truly on its way out. So we're just coming down to the beach here. Perth is actually a professional model, so just going to take a couple of photos, get her back in her normal workplace, the beach and the camera. Couldn't get through the morning without at least one coffee, and I found, thanks to Google Maps, this place which is very highly rated. It's called Osop Place, which means medicine, and that's what coffee is for a lot of us. And here's old mate here, he made us the coffees. What's the secret of a good coffee?
Good coffee, consistency, extraction, and you have to pay attention to the detail when you do the coffee.
I totally agree. And when I was reading the Google Map reviews, the various reviewers were saying that yours coffee is extremely consistent. There you go.
Yeah.
No worries.
It's the key of the every coffee shop should make the coffee. Like every cup should be every like near the same quality.
Yeah, very true, very true. All right, thanks for chatting to me.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Welcome.
How's the coffee? All right. Did you agree with the comments by the barista? Did you agree with the barista's comments? Yep.
Good taste.
Good. Okay. Thanks. We're just about ready to say goodbye to Hua Hin. Thought we'd come back to the same restaurant we had dinner last night. It's just the food was spot on. So this is the entrance to our favourite little restaurant in Hua Hin, and our little mate over here has definitely got the best position in the house. He kind of keeps an eye on everyone coming in and out of the restaurant, and he's the security dog. Check him out. There's not too much stress involved with this gig. It's around about 4 p.m. Haven't quite got out of Hua Hin as yet. There's one thing on a motorbike you don't want to particularly encounter when you've got about 180 kilometres to travel is a storm, and the Bureau of Meteorology is actually suggesting that could be the scenario for us in the next hour or so. So it could get very interesting given that we don't have any rain gear. But we'll see how we go. And I noticed this beautiful frangipani tree just behind me, and I thought that could add a little bit to the video. We just stopped at this big service centre. Seems to be one of these every kilometre down the coast, and they're jam-packed. But I love the fact that the old meet the new. So if you look over there, can't really see it very well, but it's basically a noodle bar over there, and it's doing a roaring trade. Well, that wraps up our 2-day motorcycle adventure from Bangkok to Hua Hin. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content, you're welcome to subscribe. If you don't like the content, just watch something else.